Hey guys, today we are getting things done with the help of Olay. I'll be showing you how a little bit of self-care can motivate you to accomplish your daily tasks. This is a peek on a normal day of my life, and this was filmed right after I got home from Batanes, so I really needed to get some stuff done. I believe that productive days all start the night before. I find that planning and even visualizing what tomorrow will look like helps me feel more purposeful, fueling me to wake up excited for the next day. Here are the things I want to get done tomorrow. For social media work-wise, I wanted to, number one, edit my Batanes vlog, which is already up, link in the cards. Number two, post-process some Batanes pictures. And number three, film this very video that you are now watching. And then for my personal life, I needed to, number one, go to the bank, work out, and number three, figure out other job/work requirements. After that, it is now time to do a little bit of skincare so I can feel fresh right when I wake up the next day. That being said, I just put on some vitamin C serum because I do have some acne scars. I just came back from a weekend trip at the beach, so my skin feels kind of dry from the sun, from the heat. So I really want to treat it with a nice mask. And the mask we're using for today is from Olay. It's from their Magnemasks infusion line, and it's the Rejuvenating Jar Mask. So it's a sleeping mask. You put it on, leave it on overnight, you don't wash it, and you wake up with nice, supple skin. So this sleeping mask is pretty cool because it comes with this fun contraption. It's called the Olay Magnetic Infuser, so it just helps the product penetrate deeper into the skin and make it more effective. So I just use circular motions and kind of a tapping in motion with the magnetic infuser. I like it because it sort of acts like a facial massage. So I do that for around 2 minutes. Another cool thing about this mask is that it gives you that hydrated feeling and soft skin feeling you get like when you use clay masks. And I'm ready for a good night's sleep. I'm gonna head to bed and I'll see you guys tomorrow for a productive day. Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day. My skin feels very nice and refreshed and I'm ready to take on the day. We're gonna start our morning at 7 a.m. and we're gonna go swimming for a quick little workout. Swimming might be the only cardio I actually enjoy doing, so I try to come down to the pool and swim a few laps to kickstart and energize my day. I always feel 10 times more productive when I do a morning workout. It just wakes up my whole body, and after exercising, I always come out feeling like I can accomplish anything. So I've showered, I had breakfast, and now it's around 9 a.m. I was kind of watching Brooklyn Nine-Nine earlier this morning. But right now we're gonna get productive. Like the main thing that I want to do today is I want to edit the Batanes vlog that I have. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the rough cut. I don't really know like real editing terms. Basically the first thing I'm doing, like I think I've checked, I have around like an hour worth of footage. So I'm gonna go through all the footage that I have and figure out what I want to keep for the video. I have a rough idea of how I want the video to look. I kind of want to make it more like travel journal-y, so I know that's already gonna take some time editing. I basically import all the footage on a project and then arrange it and then cut things I don't want out. This takes a lot of time because I have to watch and re-watch each clip and cut the unnecessary things down. You will notice that a lot of clips did not make the final cut. Fact: every time I make a video during the beginning stages of editing, I hate it or I really don't know what's going on. So I always kind of freak out and I was like overthinking this. Like, how do I even want this video to be? My first idea was like a travel journal sort of thing, but I don't think it's gonna work out. I just have so much footage and I don't know what to do with it. So I think I'm gonna write the voiceover first. So I brought this journal with me to Batanes and I did write some stuff. I wrote a nice page on the good feelings that Batanes gave me. I might write something about that. I don't know. I'm not a good writer. Sorry, this vlog is literally just me sitting on my desk doing things. Join my mother to a trip more of the Philippines. around 11:30, so it's almost lunchtime. First thing I'm gonna do is cook rice, and I'm gonna make some gyudon with this sukiyaki beef cut. Gyudon is a fairly simple dish. I'm cooking some rice in one pot, and in a pan I threw in some chopped onions. After the onions have softened a bit, I put in the beef and sprinkle some sugar on top because I like it sweet. I cook until it has browned, and for the sauce, I put in a mix of soy sauce, mirin, and water. I don't really have sake. I let it simmer for a while and then add a beaten egg to it because I love a nice soft egg. I cover it for a minute or two to let the egg cook, and then I serve it over white rice. It's a super simple and yummy and easy and quick dish to make. I'm slowly trying to find the place in. After lunch, I recorded the audio from the voiceover script I made. I know a lot of you guys are too, so let's keep trying our best every day. Yay! I am feeling good because I just recorded the voiceover and I finally wrote something decent for the video, and I'm kind of excited about how it's gonna go. I'm gonna put on some makeup just to feel more put together, and then I'm gonna head out in a bit. Hopefully there's not much people in the bank, and I really don't know how long it will take. Hopefully under like 30 minutes. Let's just quickly check if I have all of the requirements needed in opening a bank account. 2 IDs. I have my driver's license, of course, because we're driving. I have my PhilHealth card, 1 utility bill, 2 copies 2x2. I don't have a latest one. I have this one, which is quite old. Okay, we're gonna go now. Okay, I'm at the bank. Hopefully I'm gonna be quick. I'm gonna leave you guys here, so don't miss me too much. I'm home 20 minutes after. Sad news, I wasn't able to open up an account because the lady wouldn't let me. I think I said something wrong. Do you guys get that frustrated feeling where you set yourself to do something and you're unable to accomplish it? You know what? My goal today is to at least get one thing prepared for. So let us check how to get an NBI clearance. Maybe I'll try to do that today instead. I'm so much happier now. Okay, let us do a check-in, because it's already 3 p.m, so it's halfway through the day. Edit Batanas vlog. I did, but it's not yet done. Post-process photos. Okay, I'm gonna do that at 4. Film productive vlog. I've been doing it throughout the day, so that's a check. Go to the bank and open an account. I didn't do that. I swam, and then I'm going to the gym later. Find other requirements. Awesome. Pretty productive. I mean, I haven't really completely checked something off yet, but there's progress, and that's super important. At least it's moving, not just staying there. Hi. Wow. I'm just kidding. I have made substantial progress. I've managed to cut down everything. The video is at 5 minutes and 30 seconds long right now. So for 1 hour of footage, I've really just condensed it. This is what the timeline looks like. It's just the first cut, so I literally just have all the clips there, but I still don't have text and graphics and stylizing everything, because right now everything is just flat, and you guys know that I like layouting my videos, so this took some time. It's already 7:21, and this is what I've been working on this whole afternoon. I think I'm gonna stop this video, take a nice rest. This has been real. I'm quite happy with the amount of stuff that I did. I didn't complete all of my tasks, and also, side note, I'm not going to the gym because my sister didn't want to, so I'm just blaming her for that. So with that, the things that I was unable to accomplish, I'm just gonna move them over to tomorrow, Tuesday, and finish the video hopefully by tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Always, I super appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. This video is from my heart to yours. Bye.